Well, hi there, this is Mr. Bauer, and today we are talking about writing linear equations in slope-intercept form. All right? Slope-intercept form. And our first objective today that we want to be able to cover is to write an equation of a line in slope-intercept form given the slope and the y-intercept. Well, the first thing we probably need to know here is what exactly is slope-intercept form? Well, here it is. Y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. All right? And so the first kind of problems you're going to run into are problems where they give you m. Oh, let's say m is 8, and they give you b. Let's say the y-intercept is -5, and you need to write the equation of the line. Well, y equals 8x minus 5. There's your equation. It's really that easy. If you're given the slope, m, and you're given the y-intercept, b, you simply plug them into the equation and come up with a new equation. All right? Plug them into the form and come up with an equation. All right? So if you're given m and b, you write yourself an equation. What if I told you that m is -5/2 and b equals 9? What's your equation? Well, y equals -5/2 x plus 9. These numbers can be fractions. They can be positive or negative. It really doesn't matter. All right? So that's how you write the equation of a line when you're given the slope and the y-intercept. Our second objective says write the equation of a line in slope-intercept form given a graph. Okay, well, let me give you a graph here. Let me give you some ordered pairs. Let's see, we've got this point right here. And, oh, how about 3, -2, we'll call that. Okay, so anytime you're given a graph, all right, I know I didn't hit the dot, but that's okay. This would be, what would this point be here? Wouldn't it be 0, 4? Yeah. Anytime you're given a graph, you need to find 2 points on that line. If you have 2 points on that line, then you can figure, that's right, the slope. All right, so sometimes they won't give you the slope. You'll have to find the slope. Now remember, you could find the slope here by counting rise over run. You could do that. You know, you go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then over 1, 2, let's see, over 1, 2, 3. So the rise is 6. The run, we went left, so that'd be -3. Let's actually use the slope formula. Remember, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And we would take our y's and subtract them. 4 minus -2 over 0 minus 3. Well, doesn't that come out to be 6 over -3? And reduce that, what is it? That's right. It's -2. So the slope of our line here is -2. Now, if you'll look closely at this graph, you'll see that they've given you the y-intercept. What's the y-intercept? Where does the line cross the y-axis? At 4. Very good. So what's the equation of this line? Well, y equals -2x plus 4. Find the slope, either by counting or by doing the slope formula. Find the y-intercept. Oh, that was nice. They gave it to us as one of the points. Write your equation. All right? That's objective number 2. Objective number 3 says write the equation of a line in slope-intercept form given 2 points. And these 2 points are not necessarily going to be on a graph. maybe they are the points 0, 4 and 2, 12. Okay? Well, what are we going to do first? Well, you're going to find the slope first. You're going to use the formula we just used a second ago. y2 minus y1. Well, how about 12 minus 4? x2 minus x1. 2 minus 0. What's 12 minus 4? 8. What's 2 minus 0? 2. Reduce that, and we find our slope is 4, isn't it? Now, all we need to do now is find b. Hey, wait a second. What's that right there? Where is 0, 4 on a graph? Isn't it exactly on the y-axis, which makes it the y-intercept? Yes. And so your intercept there is 4. You can only do this if the x value is 0, can't you? You can't just say 12 because this isn't the y-intercept. This is the y-intercept. Well, so you got a slope, you got a y-intercept. Write me an equation now. Y equals 4x plus 4. All right? And there you go. There you have it. Now there's one other thing that they're going to do here. They're going to give you some ordered pairs, but they're going to be disguised. They're going to be in what they refer to as function form. And you've seen this before, okay? They're going to tell you that f of 0 equals 4, and they're going to tell you that f of 2 equals 12. Well, do you understand that what they're really saying here is they were talking about f of x equaling a value, and the number that they put in here is actually the x value? So what number is the x value right here? That's right, it's 0, and what's the y value? It's 4. Yeah. What ordered pair can you pull out of this? 2, 12. Are these the exact same ordered pairs we just worked with back in Objective 3? Yes. And so now you find the slope, you find the y-intercept, and then you write your equation, y equals 4x plus 4. Okay? So no matter whether they give you those two ordered pairs as just plain ordered pairs, or whether they give them to you disguised in function form, you can still find the slope, find the y-intercept, and find yourself an equation. All right? Good luck with Section 5.1 homework.